Well, good afternoon viewers and welcome to another video. Last week it was the northwest, last Saturday. Today it's the northeast and Ocean Beach Pleasure Park, which is situated in South Shields on the Tyne and Wear. And in front you've got a very unusual log flume. Doesn't look like it's working. Revitron, I think this one is, not the standard layout. So no water in it or what have you. So anyway, I'm just going to do a bit of a park walk round, show you a few of the rides, get some off ride, give you a bit of a description as well. So here goes. Yeah, and here you've got Crash Test, a very unique roller coaster by Cedeal. I think that's how they pronounce it. They've only ever made one roller coaster and this is it. It was formerly at Southport Pleasureland before moving up here in, I think, 2019. Not a bad spinning cars. You don't really get much of a spin, but you get a good whip round, which I like. As I said, the only one that they ever done. That's roller coaster, not just spinning cars, roller coaster in general. So if you want to acquire that manufacturer pickup, you have to get on this one. One hit wonder. They Crash Test, all the bit of theming around the ride. Yeah, not a bad spinner. So you don't really get spun round much, but it's nippy, so we like that. Thumbs up to that one. Right, take you for a further walk round. But yeah, that's Crash Test. Cedeal rides. Yeah, and here you've got Speedy Coaster, little DBV rides, roller coaster, using the booster wheels, just round there. I like little junior ride. The Matterhorn, manufactured by Bertaz, on this one. Quite exceptional really, very quick. You can see it's gathering pace there. And in a moment's time it'll stop and then do it all back in reverse. Very disorientating. I'll do a bit of a ride double here. You've got the KMG freak out. I haven't been on that one. I've done a few freak outs in my time, so. And then just behind that you've got the Wave Swinger. That one is Preston and Barbadia, not the usual Zera. Yeah, that one's Preston and Barbadia, and this one's definitely KMG. So I just stopped and back you go. As I said, come off there feeling a little bit out of it, which is nothing unusual with me. But yeah, good Matterhorn. There you've got the polar bear in the middle. Yeah, it's all good. And this will be my first breakdance today. Bus rides. So they've got one of these at Port of Vienna. I never went on it. Well, I say I've been on this one today. So in the next 6 weeks it's just nice to do different things like this. So you get a good cycle as well on there. Yeah, good fun. Ghost Train Credit situated here as well, Zombie. I haven't been on there, but yeah, if you like your ghosties, if you collect your ghosty creds, that's Zombie anyway. Also got a waltzer. You'll see in a minute the guy spinning the cars round. No, I think after the few rides that I've done here today, My stomach ain't really up for that. Done a few waltzes this year anyway, so yeah. Just behind that you've got the Zamperla pirate ship. Don't think this one's been an op today. I haven't seen it working anyway. Bits of theming down by the ride. Don't mind me Zamp pirates. And a rather old looking twister or scrambler, I think the official title is for this one. So some of the rides aren't going round, so quite quiet here today so far, so just get what I can. And also your third credit is a little caterpillar. Now on any of the websites it's unknown for the manufacturer of this, and I'm going to stick my neck out and say I think it's a Govan one. Very similar to the one that were at Weston-super-Mare. It looks like one of theirs, to be honest with you. The track work and the design. So that's what I've got today, is a fun card. You can get these from various outlets throughout the park. And also quite handy, you've got these little readers here, so all you need to do as you're going round, you just plonk your card on there, it'll scan and then it'll give you all the information of how many credits you've got left. I put £20 on there today, got an extra 2 credits for me entertainment. I'm hopefully going to get some off ride of this one, actually working, which is the booster ride KMG. First one I've ever done today, and I tell you something, I have never yelled as much on a ride, probably since Rage, the first time I went on Rage. I've been psyching myself up to do them at Brighton. It never seems to be working at Brighton when I go down, but this one has been working today. So such an adrenaline rush to actually get on one and get one of them in the book. Right, the breakdance is going back round, so I'll get a bit more off out of that I think while I'm walking around. Yeah, what are my views on the breakdance? Well, it's like a waltzer stroke twister combined together really. That's my ride experience of it. Neither that good, to be honest with you, but it's worth doing one. And it's nice to close the video off with this one. As I said today, my first ever go on a booster, and this is it. Absolute insanity. As I said, get yourselves down to these smaller places and do these rides. So much fun. As I said, that is the first time since I went on my first upside down roller coaster that I've screamed so much and yelled. Such a buzz. Right, anyway, quick bit of park information. As I've said, it's credits per ride. You get your fun card at either the kiosk or at some of the machines throughout the park. £1 per credit. You get 2 extra credits for £20. Tyne Weir Metro comes this way. About a 20-25 minute walk from the metro station here. I have got a video on there today. I'll put that on in due course over the next week. And the price of a day ticket is £5.50 on there, so get yourselves out here. Right, I'll try and finish it off with the drop and smile ride, 007 Shaker Not Stirred. If not, that will be it. Ta-ra for now. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Got a couple of days off next week, not sure what I'm going to be doing, just stay tuned to the channel or the Facebook account. Come Travelling with Rob Space Miller. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.